Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
The Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, has registered over 100,000 youths who will be empowered in different vocations. The empowerment program, which will commence with training on information and communication technology (ICT), has now gone into another phase, which will focus on agricultural entrepreneurship and development.
The Niger Delta region is not only rich in petroleum and gas resources, but also blessed with arable lands and rivers that could be exploited for benefits through agricultural development. Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, says the intervention agency is determined to take youth in the region away from the streets and turn them into self-employed citizens as well as entrepreneurs who will be employers of labor. Already, the NDDC has concluded plans for the training of several youth in information and communication technology (ICT). The Commission is now about to kickstart its second phase of youth empowerment in agricultural sector. Recently, at a meeting with youth in the region, Dr. Ogbuku had hinted on the areas of youth development that the NDDC will be focusing on.
10,000 jobs, at least 1,000 per state minimum, which we want to place on Project Hope, because we're going to go into agro-allied investments, where we're going to engage our youths. We're also going to engage our youths too in the area of IT. We're going to engage them in tech. So we're also bringing other programs under Project Hope.
At a recent briefing in Port Harcourt, NDDC Director for Agriculture and Fisheries, Mrs. Winifred Madume, told journalists that over 100,000 applicants have been registered on the NDDC Youth Empowerment Database for training. She said so far, the NDDC has trained and recruited over 158 youth drawn from the 9 states of the region who will serve as collation officers as well as create awareness in the rural communities to make impact of the project far-reaching. She assured Niger Deltans that the intervention agency has put every measure in place to ensure the success of the all-important youth empowerment projects.
Some collation officers and supervisors will have to be sent to the villages, and before that we need to train them. So I'm happy to announce that the first phase of the collation officers who were drawn from the database, about 185 of them have been trained.
Since Dr. Samuel Ogbuku resumed as the Managing Director of the NDDC in January this year, he has pursued a policy of partnership for the NDDC to enable it to carry out and sustain its many projects and programs across the Niger Delta region. It is in the same vein that the NDDC is currently partnering with the Holistic Opportunity Project of Engagement, also known as HOPE Project, in the execution of its youth empowerment program.
Inside the Niger Delta. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.